Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a couple of unboxings for you. This one is extremely large, doesn't really fit on the desk, but we're going to give it a go and we're going to start unwrapping it, and I'm hoping as we get into it the contents inside are going to be a little bit smaller so that the camera setup that I've done today actually does eventually work. But I'm not sure who this is from. This was sent to my PO box, so I'm not sure if it's something someone sent me or if it's something that I brought. I really don't know, but let's get straight into it. Right, okay, it is quite a lot smaller what's inside here. Is there anything else? No, I think that's it. Right, there we go. Maybe I should have undone the first layer off camera. Right, that still doesn't really fit in. I know what this is. Now this is really cool. Now I've been looking forward to getting this. Now this is a new product that has recently been available to buy over on Stacker Social. It's a fairly new member of the community, has started producing Stacker Social branded coin storage boxes. Now I will put a screenshot on the screen now to show you the person's username from Stacker Social, so that if you're interested you can head over to Stacker Social and pick one of these up. But he has very kindly sent me these two to showcase on a video, and the reason he has sent me two is because they actually stack, which is a really cool touch. They're actually airtight as well, and I'll show you why in a minute. But first of all, let's try out the stacking feature. Look, there we go. So these bits here are what actually make it stack. Look at that. It actually does stack as well. That is incredible. So imagine if you had a whole pile of these. That would be really easy to store in your safe or wherever you store your precious metals. But let's have a little look what they look like inside. And it's really cool that he sent me two different colours. I'm not sure exactly what other colours he has on offer, so you'd have to reach out to him on Stacker Social. But really cool to see the Stacker Social logo on there. And we've actually got these bits that clip off, and these are what make it so that it's airtight. So these bits pop off all the way around, and it opens up, and you've got this lip inside here which makes it a really nice tight seal. And as you can see, you have all of your spaces there to store your coins. Now because it's airtight, it means that you can store your coins in here without capsules, which for someone like myself that doesn't have many of my coins in capsules, this is actually absolutely perfect for me, and they fit in there really nicely. Look at that. Really snug. You've got a nice enough gap between them that they're not touching each other, but at the same time it's really compact. I like the fact that you haven't got loads of wasted space around the edge of this. It's literally all coin space, which is a really nice touch. And what happens is, once you've got all your coins in there, this seals nice and tight, and then these slot into place to hold it in place. And that works extremely well. So really cool product. And like I said, I will put a link to the person that is selling these on Stacker Social. So if you're interested, definitely head over and have a little look. But for me, one of the best things about it is the fact that they actually stack up like that. That looks so neat. Really cool. So massive thank you for sending these across. I really appreciate it. But for those that are looking to store coins not in the capsules but still want them protected from the air, something like this is absolutely perfect. Really nice. And I love the fact that you've got the blue colour inside that matches the blue on the lid. I wonder if that's the same with this gold one. I wonder if the inside matches, because that would be really cool. Or if it's going to be blue as well. Let's have a look. Ah, look, it does. That looks stunning. Look at that. Really, really nice. Extremely well put together. There's so many people now that are actually 3D printing their own storage boxes. I think it's great. I think it's really good that we're not restricted now to having to go on to websites and buy already made boxes. We can literally, if you know what you're doing with a 3D printer, you can literally make a box to suit your exact needs. And that is absolutely incredible. So yeah, thanks again very much for sending me these across. Really, really like them. I think they're great. I've loved the way, like I said, that they stack, and they also are nice and airtight. For someone like me that likes having their coins out of capsules, this is actually a perfect way to store them. Really high quality. Absolutely brilliant. But yeah, massive thank you for sending those across. Really appreciate it. And like I said, if you're interested in picking one of these up, head over to Stacker Social. Link is in all of my videos descriptions. It's a free to join Discord group. There's some amazing things going on in the community. On Sunday, we've got Live with Craven on the stage room at 4 PM. And that will go on for a couple of hours. And then at 6 PM, we've got the GSH auction. So we've got lots of stuff going on in Stacker Social. We've also got the Stack Chat, which the Stack Collector hosts on his own YouTube channel, but he's got a Stack Chat interact room within Stacker Social where you can share your videos, pictures, GIFs, and things like that he actually reads out whilst doing his live on his YouTube. So that's really cool. And then obviously on Fridays, I don't know if Cobra's back from his honeymoon yet, but on Fridays we have the Cobra auction as well. So the weekend is really jam-packed with really cool things going on. But that is the first unboxing. And we're going to go straight into one more because I've actually got probably 12 or 13 parcels that are built up now. Ah, this is really cool. I forgot all about these. So these are the final batch of 365 Days of Silver club bars. Now, anyone that has been a 365 Club member of this YouTube channel, after being a member for a whole year, I've been sending out 1 ounce of silver as a way of saying thank you. Now the price of silver has shot up, and the amount of fees that YouTube take, it's not going to be financially viable for me to continue doing this. Now, originally I just bought 5, and I was just going to do 5 to the first 5 people that was a member of my channel for a whole year. But then I brought another 5, and then I brought another 5, and this is the final batch of 5. So I believe in total there's either been 15 or 20 of these sent out. Maybe it's 15. Maybe this is the final. Maybe this 5 make it 15. I'm not too sure. I'll have to look back at my videos and try and work it out. But this really is going to be the final batch now, because like I said, I'm actually losing money by doing this. With the cost of silver now and how much fees YouTube take, after someone's been a 365 Club member for a whole year, I actually lose money by getting one of these out to people. So I'm going to do 5 more. So I know there's some people that are waiting on these. I think there's 2, maybe 3 people that are still waiting for one of these. And then the next 2 people that have been a 365 Club member for a whole year, they will also get one. And that is it then. So these are going to be really, really limited, really low mintage piece. Something I started, like I said, quite a while ago. Pure Scottish Silver is the person that does them. They're hallmarks. They've got Pure Scottish Silver's stamp on there as well. Absolutely stunning piece. So yeah, massive thank you to everyone that's been a 365 Club member and supporting my journey. It's been really cool to be able to give something back. And like I said, those of you that are still waiting for your 365 Club bar, it will be with you very, very soon. I've got a sticker I need to put on there. I've got a COA I need to put on there. And then I need to ship them out. So that is a really cool unboxing. I think I'm going to finish up with one more unboxing, which is going to be this one. Now again, no idea what is in here. This arrived a few days ago. It says fragile all over it. But like I said, I've got so many parcels that are built up now. I really don't know what's inside here. I've still got CY Sterling's mail call to unpackage that he sent me ages ago, which I'm saving for when me and Mrs. 365 go away, because he's told me something that's in there and we're both going to try it together. So CY Sterling, if you're watching this video, I haven't, oh my gosh, I just knocked that over and lost all of them down the side, so I have to find them later. So yeah, CY, if you're watching today's video, I haven't forgotten about your mail call. I'm just saving it for when I go away with Mrs. 365. And the same with Israeli coins. If you're watching today's video, I've also got your mail call, and that is quite a large box, so I'm going to save that for when I've got a little bit more space. So yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And I do feel bad sometimes when I've got mail from people that they've sent me like 2-3 weeks ago, but I always try and save it till it's kind of on topic with a video I'm about to film, or like I said, when I'm going away and I can film it in a different location or make it a little bit special. So yeah, I have still got quite a few mail calls to get through, and I do still really appreciate everyone that sends things across. It's just really hard to, this is a nightmare by the way, this box. It's just really hard to try and juggle everything as well at the moment, especially with me starting the TikTok. I'm trying to get that growing as quick as possible, and with Stacker Social as well, there's loads going on in there. So yeah, there's always something going on, and it's just trying to find the time to fit everything in, because I work quite long hours at my day job. I'm up very early in the morning, I'm up at 3 in the morning, and I've got 2 small children as well. So yeah, lots going on, but oh my god, this is a nightmare. Right, what have we got here? Ah, this is brilliant. I forgot about this. No wonder it was packed so well. This is so strange. So the thing that I literally just showed you that I knocked over, that fell down and everything fell off, that was complete coincidence that happened, because this piece of glass is what I got custom cutted to actually go over the top of this to stop them all falling out and to protect them and to make it into a bit more of a display piece. So how strange is that happened to fall over and all of the puzzle pieces went everywhere. Let me try and scoop them all up. I don't think I'm going to be able to find them all now because they've all gone down the gaps, but they're the ones that I've managed to find. And let me see how many we're missing. That's why this thing's perfect, because it's got just the right amount of spaces for each one, so you can tell if you're missing any. Look at that, now I've found them all. So 16, all 16 in there. So this is actually a bit of glass, and let's see how good my measuring skills are. And to be fair, I didn't know it was a mirror. I thought it was a bit of glass that was see-through. But, so let's do it that way around, because it's going to be really reflective. But yes, look at that. It doesn't really fit. Nah, so I'm going to have to go back to the company, because that doesn't fit, does it? I definitely wouldn't have measured that far out. So that's a real shame. So, and I'm pretty sure I didn't order an actual mirror, like as in a reflective mirror. I'm sure I just ordered some glass. I wanted like see-through glass to be able to sit over the top of this, so it was more like a display piece, almost making it into a bit of like a picture frame. So yeah, that's a bit annoying that it's actually a mirror, because it won't work for videos if I've got a mirror. I'm going to have to, yeah, go back to the company. That's a bit of a shame, because I want to make this into like a picture frame, put a bit of see-through glass over it, and yeah, there we go. So there we go, we're going to finish the video on a bit of a downer. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, please head over to Stacker Social if you're interested in picking up one of these boxes. They're made to order, so like I said, you can reach out and say which colour you would like, and if he's got that colour in stock, he can make you a personalised colour. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate all the support. Please like, share and subscribe if you're not already, and I hope you have a very nice day.